Good morning, Tubes. We're out for a cruise. The old man's got the camera.
Oh, sorry.
I sound like Fonzie. Apparently I sound like Fonzie. Anyway, we're out for a cruise. Old man's got the day off, so he's got the camera for a little bit. Don't worry, the old girl's here too. Say hi, old girl.
Hi. Don't call me that, you coon.
Say hi, young man.
Hi. Don't you call me
Anyway,
that.
we're the old girl and the old man here are out for a cruise. I said girl. I mean, you're young. She takes everything the wrong way. Anyway, we're out for a cruise for the 15th time. We're heading over to a place called Terrence Bay.
Hi, Derek's grandparents. That's where Derek's grandparents live.
Oh, hi, Derek's grandparents, apparently.
Sometime we have to go there when he's
I can't keep track of all these people. Anyway, that's where we're heading. We're going to go to a nice beach, lots of sea glass and stuff, and
very windy,
there's
though.
a lighthouse out there. It might be very windy, which means it might be cold, even though it's supposedly, what, +9? +5 at the moment in the car.
It's going to be -15 this afternoon.
And it's going to be -15 this afternoon, so it's going to get cold quick. I hate the cold. But at least all the snow we got yesterday is pretty much melted, which is kind of cool. It's the way I like it. Yes. Yes, there's an... Ouch. Don't we... Here, let's stick your fingers on. Okay. I got told off this morning to make sure I wasn't rude and that I was nice to Ellen. And the first thing she does is go sticking her finger in my eye. She wonders why I do the things I do. Trust me, it's not just me that does these things. It's her, too.
I have a muscle spasm in my arm.
Yes, there's a muscle spasm in your head quite often, too. That's part of the problem. Ellen's jaw is just going down to the ground.
Ellen's fist is getting tighter and tighter.
I'm going to shut up now. She's nasty and lethal at times. Anyway, we're also possibly going to go to an old house that's over there that's been kind of abandoned.
It's
just kind of creepy. We probably have been there with the camera. With Bill's T-Max, apparently.
It scares Jeremy, so we're going without him.
Yes, good idea. It is kind of creepy, though. It's like someone just left in the middle of the night, and the place has been falling down ever since. It's just, you see, there's still food in the fridge and everything else. It's kind of weird, but the roof is getting kind of dodgy right now, so I'm not so sure I really want to go into it anymore. It may not be the wisest thing to do in the world, but we can certainly film from the outside, and you can see all why it's creepy and just a mess in general. And, yeah, that's basically it. That's the gist of the day.
Sorry, got bubble gum.
She's got bubble gum.
I can't chew bubble gum and talk at the same time. Maybe we could go to Prospect. Down to where we saw the whale park.
Possibly we'll go down to Prospect as well, I'm told. So, anyway, we'll wait and see. We'll see what time it is. It's 12:15 already, and we haven't had lunch or anything like that. And old man's too cheap to go buy the old girl lunch while we're out, so...
Please stop calling me that, man.
But it's fun. It gets her riled up. She's cute when she's riled up.
I have to fix that. That's me not so cute when I get riled up.
It's impossible. Anyway, we'll see you guys all later. Ciao. How do I turn this thing off? Where's the button? I got the forward-facing thing going on so I can see myself when I'm talking, but now I can't find... There we go. Got the button. Bye again.
Back up here.
Got a bit of wave action happening out there. There, and I'm watching the waves instead of watching the camera, which means you're not seeing them, which is not too bright on my behalf.
He's just learning how to do this.
Yeah, that's just, yeah, that's really bad. It's all right. Okay, Tubes, we've got a house coming up here, which is really kind of, I don't know. I don't think I'd want to live in it. It's so close to the road. If someone ever came around the corner in the ice, it would be like done for. This little white house up here. You can kind of just see it through the, there it is there. This house is on the road. This house is almost in the road.
Hey, don't walk out the front door.
Oh, I hadn't zoomed up. That was silly of me.
Do you want me to drive? I mean, you to drive next time?
I'm not so good with the camera. Listen, I gotta get some practice at this at some point. We'll film this person who's getting their mail. See, there we go. She's so embarrassed. I'm so good at embarrassing my wife. Anyway.
Yep. Okay, we're going to go down to the beach, but it's pretty windy, and I'm going to try and keep my hand over like this to protect the microphone as much as I can.
Somebody lost their keys.
Oh. Oh, they're key. Ooh. So, yeah, whoops, that's how windy it is. So I will try to keep the wind off this mic as much as I can, and my mic. And we'll go over to the lighthouse afterwards and see if we can get some bigger waves over there. All right. Let's see if we see any dead things today. It's not too bad. Wind's not too bad down here, but the tide is just on its way out. The tide, low tide will be about an hour and a half. But because the surf's up, that means there's lots of seaweed on the beach. And it's harder to find. Oh, I hope this isn't from the shipwreck. It's kind of creepy. You want it for your museum? Yeah, because this is where the shipwreck was not too far from here, so. Oh, it is so cold out here today. I'm sorry, the wind's picking up here. Don't go in the water! He's going in the water, what the heck? Okay, let's see. Well, I'm seeing nothing today, nothing. The best place for sea glass is at the back of the beach. Ugh. And I'm not. Now with my camera. Do you see it? Oh, there goes their shoe. Oh. I'm glad I won it. Yeah. Oh, that's not ready. Oh, there's a big mussel shell. That's a blue mussel. Want that one? There's some green. I don't know if you want the little bits of green. Oh, there's a different color of green right there. Oh, a big piece of green. Okay, I'm going to turn this off for a minute. So let me see something. I'm not seeing much today, Devin. Oh, can you get over there? There you go. Okay. Brr. I can't see anything. My eyes are all watering. Ooh. So they set their traps up over there too. They're kind of hard to see today because of the waves, but there's lots of traps and buoys and stuff set up out there. Ooh. Oh, lasagna. Do you see anything? I'm not seeing.
A few pieces of glass, and that's about it.
There ain't nothing.
Like this is clean.
I know.
You usually see it like this.
I think it's all been buried in the storm because it's been stormy the past few days. So.
Yeah. Oh well. We'll have to go try that little beach down by the lighthouse.
Yes.
A bit more sheltered.
Okay, we'll go try that.
Not as good for glass, but it's more sheltered.
Sorry. Oh my gosh, we're having such problems with it. There's a big rock in somebody's backyard and right beside their house. And this is Sandy Cove Lighthouse. I'm really sorry. You're gonna have to turn your sound down because it's gonna be so loud with the wind. Watch for the mucky bits, Devin. Cold. It's not even as cold as it's gonna get today. Uh-oh. Of course it's... What, is it ice under there? Well, don't wipe out, man, please. Oh, I love this little cove in here. I think this is so cool. Okay, how do I get down here without breaking my neck? Oh, nice one, Devin. Nice find. Uh-oh. Okay, no O's. I thought I heard a dog coming at us here, but I think we're okay. Okay. It's a bit quieter down here, I guess. Ooh. Oh, there's a big one coming in, Devin. Don't walk on the black rocks, remember? If you walk on the black rocks, you're going to go in the drink. Whoa. I'm not seeing much in here today either. If you do that in the summertime, if you do this in the summertime, there's all kinds of flies that fly out at you. That's an English Mastiff. Did you see that dog? There was just an old English Mastiff down here. And that's the size of his foot. That's my hand. And he is beautiful. He was like 200 pounds. And I really wish I had caught up to her and got him, pet him. But anyway, you found Red. Oh. Oh, there's the wind again. Yeah, that was a big puppy dog. There's my foot. Oof! So, into there. What's this, Devin? You want it? It was light, whatever it was. Okay. Nothing. I'm freezing. So, we're gonna head up to the lighthouse in a second. I just gotta keep my eye on my husband because he's always going in places where he probably shouldn't be, like the water. Anyway, we're gonna go up to this lighthouse. Oh, if I can turn this thing around. There we go. And we'll have to go up on this side here. So it's gonna get super, super windy, so I probably won't even talk. Just turn your sound down, unless you really like to hear waves crashing. Ooh, mucky. I'm gonna wait till we get up to the lighthouse here. That's what, oh, he's in the water. That's what the boys are down there. There he is. Ooh, okay. I should have brought the GoPro today. I have no idea how to use it, so I'm sure the wind would have sounded interesting in it though. Let's go over this side. Just gotta make sure I'm not too close here and I'm videotaping at the same time. come in, I think. I literally can barely stand here for the wind. You cold?
Yes.
Yeah? Freezing? So am I. You want to go in the water? Ooh.
Be happy with it for polar bear dip.
A polar bear dip. Off you go then. You first. You first. I'll go put my feet in the water if you do.
I've already had my feet in the water.
No, bare feet.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
You chicken! You big fat chicken! I apologize. All you could hear out there was.
Here, open the window.
Yeah, you can't. I've trapped you in. Sorry about that. It's awfully pretty down there. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed that little trip. We were almost blowing over there, and I cannot feel my legs. It's not even cold out yet.
No, it's not.
Oh, jeez. It's coming right off the ocean, though. Anyway, we're on to our next stop. Somewhere to get chocolate. Somebody's got clothes out in their clothesline. I love clotheslines. One day I'm going to do a whole video on, I'm going to go out and look at people's underwear hanging on their clothes.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, off we go. Where's the button? I told you where it was. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see sort of behind me here. I can't see him. There he is. Okay, so the guys behind us are going scuba diving. Scuba diving. They're going to go diving on the wreck. They're crazy. Somebody should really check to make sure they have a brain. They won't when they come out. It'll be frozen. Oh well.
Nice.
Last time we came here, there was a guy diving by himself. Do you remember that? Super
Yes.
dangerous. Super stupid. Anyway, I don't know if you can see out the window here that they're. I can't see them now. I can see them, but they can't see. Here, I'll see if I can. I'll see if I can look in the mirror here and see if you can see them. Focus. There they are, getting ready to go scuba diving. You are crazy. Crazy.
There.
Okay, we're at the next place, and the wind is literally howling through these wires. So you can hear the howling wind this time, in addition to the regular old wind. This is Lower Prospect. There's the old house, still standing up through all this wind. Basement is, oh my gosh, look at the water in there.
Or a crawl space in the basement, I think.
Yeah. Watch the decks in the back. Holy cow, sorry, I can't hold her camera, so I have to keep my hands over her. Oh, that's a little bit better. Sorry, you're still going to catch the wind here. I don't even know if I'm going to post this. Or Jeremy's going to post this today. Sorry. It's one of the only sunny days we've had, so we take advantage of that and come down to the beach. Oh, my goodness. I don't know if we're going to find much here. There's a lot of kick up here, Devin. let's go down and see. Well, he's fine. I just found a big green huge chunk. Oh. And a baby. Probably. Oh, sorry, I'm out in the wind here again. I'm going to duck down behind this rock here. Okay, there we go. That should be better. Oh! Well, and there's some brown. Oh, and I'm sitting right in the seaweed. Oh, this smells really nice. This smells good. It'll keep everybody away from me. Oh, boy. Okay, I can't put the sea glass in my pocket because I can't get my pocket open. I can't get my pocket open! And I just dropped. Alright, so I'm just going to tuck in here where hopefully the wind's not as bad. And it's not as cold. And I'm just hoping and wishing that Zach will make a quick recovery from your surgery, and hope you're doing okay and feeling better and back to your normal self soon, so you get back to your videos. And yeah, I'm glad to hear that so far so good, and can't wait to see your next video, bud. And oh, yeah, sorry about the wind and stuff today. It's just a crazy day today, but anyway, glad it's not snowing, I guess. So we're going to motor along this beach a bit more and then head back to the car, I think, because it's walking back will be a chore in itself. I don't know how fast. The wind's got to be over 80 today. Anyway, 80 kilometers an hour, not miles an hour. So anyway, hope you guys are all doing great, and we'll see you in a bit. Ooh, the mama got a really, really, really awesome piece. That's a cool one. Oh, and I see another one. Okay, gotta get this in my pocket this time. Do you know how many times I've washed sea glass? Okay, I think it got in my pocket there. Okay, let's see. We're now. Uh-oh, I took my eye off it. There it is. Right there. That's the bottom of a bottle, that one is. Oh, there's another one. Lots of white here. Or clear. It's the side of a bottle, probably. Interesting, bud. Oh, there's a piece. I'm finding only clear. The other side and see what's over there. Off a ship. Let's see, I don't want to go too far up in here because the seaweed's slippery, so. Oh, there's a blank over there. See that? I want that. I'm going to go see if I can get it. Whoa, extreme close-up. Who left that on there? Well, oh, there's something in the lens. Hang on, I'm going to clean it and come back. Okay, we're back. This is so freaking windy here. I don't know if you can hear it from in the car here. Of course, when I say that, the wind stops. Anyway, yeah, you got some cool stuff, eh, Dev? Mm-hmm. Where's the black piece? Do you have it?
Yeah, I just don't know where it is right now.
Oh, okay. So we got some cool stuff down there. Sorry, being in the wind has given me a huge headache. We found a really big chunk of really old black glass, which is cool. We'll get a picture of that later. And my husband's carrying back a giant, huge plank of wood for me. And what else? Oh, some blue stuff. Oh, I found a buoy. And yeah, it's in the car and it's heavy. And yeah, so it was pretty good, but it was too windy to enjoy anything. So, you know, it's just blowing around all over the place, trying to hold on to the camera, trying to hold on to Devin at one point so he wouldn't blow away. Trying not to slip on the black rocks and the seaweed, and yeah, it was definitely a workout. So anyway, I think we're going to head back now and grab something to eat, and we'll see if we catch anything else interesting on the way home. Well, I don't think I got anything of Mike carrying this board back for me because I think I forgot to turn record on.
Again?
But anyway, this is the big plank of wood he got for me, and the buoy in the back, and the boy and the buoy. And yeah, I might just leave this in the car. Look, we have this nice little hand where we could have, you know, lunch here and everything. Where's the nail? Right there? Did you bend it?
No,
or was it bent? Anyway, yeah, I don't know what I'll do with this.
It's a little bit too thick to just bend that nail.
Well, probably. Are you cold?
That's not so bad. Maybe I'm just numb.
Yeah. My brain is numb. I can't even feel myself think.
I'm trying not to say it. Will you carry on?
Okay. We're going somewhere else now.
There's the lights right there. If you can stop, that would be nice. So, you don't usually see the ice freeze up here, but you can see here it's frozen. And back there is this white line that goes all the way across. And I don't understand that. It's really weird. But it's just, I guess, thicker ice. But it's still kind of neat. But anyway, you got to be quite a ways up a fairly narrow spot of water where it doesn't really get much in the way of waves and stuff for it to freeze up. So, yeah, that was neat.
Here we are at Mabel's Farm Market, where we're hoping to get some nummy baked stuff and make a pit stop. And this store has everything. It's got food, it's got baked stuff, it's got like a bake shop, it's got books, it's got a little bit of everything. So we're going to stop in here for a second. So we have just been into Mabel's and grabbed our lunch, and we always take, when we go out, we always use, I'm so tired. Yep. We always just have bread and cheese. And that's what my husband's done with his family whenever they've gone out. So bread and cheese it is, with this huge thing of bread and a tiny thing of cheese. Oh, and chippies, of course. Oh, and a brownie. What did you get?
A nut cluster.
A nut cluster. How
not crazy enough as it is.
How appropriate. A nut cluster. Oh. And you got the raspberry walnut square, right? Mm-mm. We're going to go to Prospect. You need to retire this coat.
Nope. Not going to happen.
We are going to Prospect now.
Well, we're not going to go anywhere if you're standing there with the camera.
No, I'm not.
Well, here we are, Tubes. We're in Prospect, or approaching Prospect, depending on your point of view. We're in the outskirts right now, but if we're looking down over the major city, the major center of the city, if you can call it that, that big yellow house on the end there is a bed and breakfast. It's for sale if you want. I have no idea how much it is.
500,000.
$500,000.
Where's the egg carton house gone? Got past it.
I don't remember. Someone's putting on an expansion on their house, as I see.
Mm-hmm. I love this place. This place is so pretty, much prettier than Peggy's Cove every day.
See the sign says kids at play. These guys are rather serious about that here. You find a few signs telling people to slow down, all this kind of stuff. There's some very nice houses in here. Not necessarily big houses or anything like that. They're just...
And they're old. This is where Hurricane Juan hit here first, made landfall in Prospect.
Yes, and Hurricane Juan was rather tough for everybody.
Slow down. Nanny's got your number.
Nanny's got your number. Nice little house there. I think that one's cute.
I like this one because they have that outside wooden door on it.
Ah, yes.
Oh, they're on my side of the road.
Yes, please watch where you're going. Let's not run anybody over today. Again.
I haven't jumped over anybody.
Well, I'm thinking of ducks and groundhogs.
Oh, yeah. I have run over a duck.
And a groundhog.
Yes, I killed Wyatt and Willie.
Yes, exactly. She killed Wyatt and Willie. We were up there for our honeymoon, wasn't it?
No.
No.
It was not, I don't remember.
Anyway, we're up in Wyerton at some point, and
Get the harbor over there.
there's a just cruising down the road, some poor little groundhog just minding its own business, and Ellen says, "Oh, it'll move." Thump, thump. No, didn't move.
Minding its own business. It ran right in front of me. What movie were they filming down here? They were filming a big movie down
I
here.
do not remember. That's the name of the movie. I do not remember. Which is my theme song, because I never seem to remember. Nice little church. I'm guessing that's a church hall there. Well, there's the bed and breakfast. Oh, I'm too slow. I have to get it. On the way back. Ooh, there's a big wave out there. Oh, and there's a big bump there. Now there's a house out there. I'm going to zoom in on that. There are no roads to that house. It is on its own little island.
I don't think I'm getting out.
road.
It's too cold.
Oops, sorry. I can't see where I'm filming because there's such
Ooh, those are huge waves. Holy smoly. They're going right over the whatever that is, island.
the rock.
This is, hey, it's
I
low
think I
tide.
might-
You could go underneath the bridge, the dock, and see if there's any more whale bones under there. My sister-in-law Sarah came one summer, fall. It was in the fall, and she dug me out a whale vertebrae from under there.
I saw it.
Yeah, you saw it.
Here, I'm going to give you this.
So we decided we're going to go down to the wharf. It's probably going to be louder down here than it was at the other beach. We're facing sort of open ocean here. And there's not much protection around here. So we're going to... He's holding on to Michael for dear life because he almost blew away from me at the last beach. So we'll go down and have a look and see. Whoa, that was a wave back there. We will go and have a look and see what we can see. Okay, there's this sign here. They're all over the place right now, and this means that the shellfish, the shellfish area, so oysters, clams, mussels, anything like that, are contaminated, and you can get paralytic seafood poisoning if you eat them. So they don't want people eating mussels and stuff that they dig up from down here. And so I can't even hold this thing still. This is crazy. Oh, hold on, Devin. It's too cold and too windy. It was even worse at the first. I can't hold my hand. I can't hold my hand still because it's shaky. That was even worse than the first two places we went. Oh, sorry. Windy day. Can't do much about that. I tried, but you know. Oh, it's cold. I'm freezing. This would be a nice day to live here and have a fireplace and hot chocolate. Oh. Anyway, now we gotta go to Costco to return a jacket. So I don't think we'll be recording that, but maybe we will. Anyway, see you in a bit.
Okay, there's the big, oh, nice bump, honey. There's the bed and breakfast, Prospect Bed and Breakfast.
That's where they filmed the movie, but I don't know, maybe it was Haven.
Could be. I don't know.
I don't know.
Anyway, nice place to stay apparently. Expensive though.
We could run it. We could have a bed and breakfast.
No, I do not have $500,000 to buy a bed and breakfast.
For all of Jeremy's viewers could come and stay at the bed and breakfast.
Sorry guys, no thanks.
Meanie.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, they had problems with the flood there.
Oh yeah, I'd say so. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, big ditch there.
Oh, I like this house. It's so primitive. I love it.
Probably from the rains we had a couple weeks ago. Lots of problems with the rains.
Oh, look at that house there with all the dewies and the little tree. Look at the trees they carved out of. Ooh.
Yeah, I like that house too with the turret.
Yeah, with a turret. We want to build a turret on our house. That roundy thing is like a tower.
Yes, I want one of those.
The ones that are on castles.
I can lock my princess up on the top of it when she annoys me too much.
What princess? I'm the queen.
Well, same thing. Oh no, I got a princess on the side. Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Oh, this house here. Let's see if the tubes know what this thing is in the backyard.
What? Oh yes.
Okay,
Well,
so
we'll have to make sure you don't crash into this person on the road
I'm not gonna
first.
crash. He didn't even wave. There's this house here which is totally
This is
cool.
not it.
Yes, it is.
This is not the house with the thing.
Okay, you want to bet?
Yeah, I do actually.
Look in the backyard. You missed it. You lost it. Forget it.
No, this is not the right house.
I'm talking about the water thing. They have a big thing in the back. I just saw
the big
it.
cistern. Okay.
Is that what that is? A cistern?
Yeah. I thought you were talking about something else that we saw out here before.
No. Hey, that house is empty. Let's buy it.
No.
They had chickens at this house, but they don't seem to have chickens anymore.
I don't see the chicken coop. I thought you were referring to the chicken coop.
No, I know what a chicken coop is. Look at that. That's so cute.
Which one?
That green one right there. You just never mind.
Sorry, you have to tell me before we get to the
I'm
house, not
sorry.
as we're
You're
driving
supposed
past
to
it.
know
Especially if you want it videoed.
what I'm talking about. I love that place. That's so cool.
Yes, Granny's watching.
Yes, we need to find the igloo. There's an igloo. It looks like it's made of an egg carton. Well, it looks like an egg carton section, actually. We gotta get up this hill. I don't remember where it is. I've been here for a while.
No, we haven't been here for a while, have
Get
we?
your dog on the start of the road.
Hey, lady, your dog's gonna become dog
Dog
food.
sandwich.
She's got a fluffy tail.
Perky ears.
Please don't back out in front of me. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate that.
They had to get a concrete pumper out here. You remember I said the first time.
Oh, there it
There
is.
he is.
The egg carton house. Isn't that freaky? That's so weird. What is the top made out of?
Eggshell? I don't know.
Eggshells.
I don't know what it's made out of.
It's weird. Like
Mud.
fiberglass?
It's mud. It might be fiberglass. It's hard to say.
Now we're leaving downtown, the busy downtown metropolis of Prospect.
And all dead people. See all the dead people there.
Oh boy. That house looks empty too, but I think it's probably
I
got
got a
an old
feeling it's
person.
probably gonna say yes. Alright, we're gonna shut this thing down now. We'll talk to you guys later, maybe-ish. Bye.
More dead quick.
Okay, we're done at Costco. Of course, I don't have the coat that we got, Jeremy. Of course, it's gone. So, we're done there, and now the temperature's dropped, what? It's 1 degree, so it's dropped, what? 4 degrees this afternoon, and everything's starting to turn. Oopsie daisy!
Where'd that come from?
I don't know where that came. I don't know if it's from that car or where it came from. It must be from that car. No, it's not. I don't know where it's from. Anyway, somebody just lost a hat.
It's a Montreal hat.
It's a Montreal hat? Oh, they won't miss that at all. It's probably a favor.
They don't have a baseball team anymore.
Montreal Alouettes. Montreal Expo.
Yeah.
Oh, that. Don't they have a baseball team anymore? No, I didn't know that. Anyway, we're done at Costco. Ramble, ramble, ramble. Now we're going home.
Yeah.
And I have to go pick up Jeremy and have to take him out to buy some new old pants for work. And, what did he need? Headphones. Headphones, that's it. So, yeah, you've got a light burnt out there, lady. Man, Mr. Lady. So, yeah, we're just going home and trying not to slip on any icy patches now.
The roads are definitely starting to freeze up.
Yes. So I hope you enjoyed that little crazy trip with us. And there goes the buoy. And sorry about the wind and all the noise and stuff like that. Not much we can do about that, unfortunately. And I'm sure Jeremy will do a closing at some point today, so I'll leave it up to him. So hope you guys are doing great. Had a good day. Talk to you soon.
Ciao.
When we came down here earlier today, we didn't get the camera out in time because it came by so quickly, but somebody has ditched their car down here, probably yesterday, I guess, and they never bothered to get a tow truck out here, but whether it's still here now or not, I do not know. Yes, I think it is. Or is that it? In the ditch. Yes, it is still there.
Yes, it is right there.
There it is.
Well done, Joe.
Why would they not get it out of there by now?
I don't know.
It's funny. That happens so often down here, isn't even funny. And then, of course, there's the fire station down here. That is probably, it was an electrical fire. It started between yeah. Oh, yes. It was an electrical fire, and it started between the floors. Now, this building's inspected every month, so somebody missed something somewhere. So they're closing a few fire departments down here, and I really hope they're not closing this one down because this one would sort of serve our area as well. And there's one in Sambro, which is another 10-15 minutes down the other way, and then there's this one. So it would be handy if they opened that one again. Plus, with the trailer park being there and there being fires and stuff. I'm doing it again, Michael.
Yes, you are.
I'm talking to the back of the camera. There, that's better. So with there being a trailer park there, that fire department is really a necessary thing to have. Plus, with the gas station too, right? With the gas station around the corner is pretty important to have it too. So hopefully they'll rebuild it. They said on the news that it was structurally, they think it's structurally sound. So they'll just have to fix the stuff that burned and whatnot, I guess, and the floors and stuff. So hopefully they can replace that because that one's just a volunteer fire department, but they're still definitely needed around here, especially since, you know, we're not in the city and we're not on city water. If there's a fire, they have to go to the lake to get it. So the more firefighters we have down here, the better it is in the summertime, especially when there's wildfires and things like that. So yeah, I hope they fix that, and glad they found out what it was too. I'm glad there was nobody there, and they got all the trucks out, and they didn't lose the trucks or anything like that. It's just that, well, they lost all their equipment. So yeah, anyway, nobody was hurt, so that was a good thing. Okay, so here's what we collected at the beach today. Oh, that one's not done yet. I'm trying to find that piece of black. It's not black. It's gray.
So very rare.
It looks like it's blue through here. But it's gray and it is rare. Ooh, nice find there, darling. That is a rare piece right there. I think I'll just make off with that. And a lobster tag from 2012. Where am I looking? Lobster tag from 2012. Oh, let's see what's at the bottom of a beer bottle. Lots of little pieces. I had a really cool bottom from one here. Now I can't seem to find it. But anyway, so that's not bad considering most of the beach is covered in seaweed. Oh, and a nail. No doubt this nail is off the Titanic. That's what Devin will say. It's from the Titanic. It's probably from the dock in the harbor, but according to Devin, it's from the Titanic, so shh.
And now the tow truck is here.
So is Jeremy.
And I am too, apparently.
He doesn't have any brake lights or any lights working on that. Oh boy, good luck getting that out of there.
I think. Oh, my battery's dying. That's
Is
not
it?
good.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't use it that long. I guess I did.
Must have. But anyways, we're heading to the place called Frenchie's. I need to get a pair of pants for work because mine's blown. And then I need to get some gum at the dollar store and a few headphones because mine keeps breaking and I need gum for the airplane.
I have gum.
I'll get my own.
You know you have another week.
I'll get my own. And Canada plays Russia tonight for gold, so I'll be watching that. So. Anyways, the battery's dying, so I better stop. Well, we're heading home. I got my gum, and the dollar store didn't have headphones.
Yes, they did. They had the rhinestone ones and they had pink ones, but you didn't want to wear the pink ones.
Or the rhinestone ones.
You could have taken them on the airplane with your Barbie and they would have matched.
Shut up.
I'm just teasing you.
Anyways,
Have a sense of humor.
nice and quick. Shush. This is a really long video, so it's going to take like 2 hours to render, so I will make this quickly as I can. I got 2 pairs of headphones, different kinds, for $29. And I'll show you them tomorrow, so yeah, you guys have a good night, and